Extensive research has looked into what are the things students worry about going to secondary school. These have been found to include the following: getting lost in a new and bigger school, which might stop them from getting to class on time. Some students are sad to leave old friends behind, as well as being nervous about making new friends and meeting lots of new teachers. They also report about going from being the oldest in the year group to being the youngest, which is quite a change in the hierarchy of their life, and some say this is one of the reasons they are worried about getting bullied. Finally, students are often concerned about the increased workload in secondary school, worrying that they'll find the work too hard or struggle to keep up with their homework.
So time for another bit of reflection. Which of these have you observed the most in your students? And which of these fears and worries do you think your students are most likely to experience?
So we've had a look at what students worry about before they transition to secondary school. But what about afterwards? What do students think on reflection after they've done the big move?
Research suggests that some of the concerns that students have before moving to secondary school are in fact realistic. For example, students may feel after transition that their courses are more difficult, there are stricter rules and stricter teachers, and sometimes they initially feel more alone and lack a sense of belonging.
As you can see, we think online teacher CPD should be
research-based,
practical,
value for money,
really fun to do.
And if this sounds exactly what you want for your staff, then go to the InnerDrive Online Academy now.